Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this sponge from a brand that I'm not familiar with. The brand is called MOTD, Makeup of the Day, which I think that is so cute. I love that name. And this is the Dab and Tap Makeup Sponge. It's latex free, cruelty free, vegan. It only cost $6. I got this in my January 2022 Ipsy glam bag, which that unbagging video is up here on my YouTube channel if you still haven't seen that yet. And I love trying out makeup sponges. I use a makeup sponge to apply pretty much every part of my makeup routine. So I'm actually pretty picky about my makeup sponges. Ooh. The initial texture on this is very nice. It's squishy, soft. So I am going to go ahead and wet this so it should expand quite a bit. All right, and here it is dampened. It definitely feels promising and it almost has this kind of velvety finish to it. So let's go ahead and see how it is with my foundation. I'm going in with this L'Oreal Paris Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation. And I tried this out recently on my channel and it's become my daily foundation. So just gonna put some onto the back of my hand here. I love to use this foundation with a sponge. It's a pretty thin, runny liquid formula. So it's very easy to apply with a sponge. I like that initially it does not look like the sponge is absorbing too much of the product. I actually am noticing like some texture though being left behind from the sponge. Almost like this, what I described as a velvety finish. It's almost too rough. Like it leaves marks and it's leaving texture. I'm going to continue trying to really work this foundation into the skin, but if this is going to be creating texture, that is not going to fly because I'm all about that smooth looking skin and foundation. Like it definitely seems to be blending the foundation perfectly fine without absorbing too much, and I think I'm getting the coverage that I typically want and expect from this foundation when I apply 3 pumps, which is my usual amount. But oh my gosh, I'm like, is that the texture of my skin or is that the texture of the sponge? And it's definitely the texture of the sponge, and it's very weird. It's like such tiny little like marks that it's making that it's giving almost the look of dry patches to the skin, as if I'm stamping little like tiny little dots. And the texture that it leaves behind really is so tiny that from a slight distance you can't notice it, but that is not what a sponge should do. And if you don't like bounce it and you just rub it across, like that creates that whole almost like a brush stroke look. So then I'm trying to tap it to smooth it out and that's not helping either. I feel like if this was the first makeup sponge I ever tried, I would be like, wow, I do not like makeup sponges. They leave a weird texture and they're not very easy to use. But trust me, there are a lot of really great makeup sponges, and I'm bummed that this one did not perform to my expectations and hopes. I was excited about this brand though, so let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any MOTD products that you love, that you would recommend. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.